Okay, guys, so I'm filming this a few days later. I just recorded and I'm actually working on editing a cleaning video. Just some good cleaning motivation for the holidays. We just had my mom in town and it was a lot of fun. But when I have people over, I definitely do the minimum when they're here in the kitchen. I keep that pretty clean. I try to keep toys picked up. But for the most part, that's about it. I like to enjoy the time when they're here and not be cleaning the entire time. She just went home. I have some tidying up to do, or I had some tidying up to do, and just some things around the entire house. That's what today's video is. I hope you like it. If you like these kinds of videos, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing by clicking that button down below, and I'll see you next time. To get started, I just made a really big list of everything I wanted to clean. I didn't actually get to all of these things today, but I did just want to write it down so that I could keep everything straight and stay on track. I do like to start in the laundry room by clearing everything out and putting it away and getting a load of laundry in. This way, while the load of laundry is going, I can continue on with other cleaning. I did stop for a quick coffee break using my homemade iced coffee, and I will leave a link to that video down below, and then my favorite creamer. Then moving on to the living room, I just started folding up things, tidying them up, but I wanted to mention again, we flip our cushions up like this to keep that cutie little dog over there from climbing up on the couch, because it never fails. If we leave the house with the cushions down, he's gonna get on the couch. We'll be moving that coffee table back in front of the entertainment center. It just kind of blocks Grayson from getting into any of this and breaking anything. We just recently got this entertainment center a few months ago, so we'd like to protect it. We are trying to figure out something else to put in front of that so we can have our coffee table back.
Still here, flipping coins about what's to come. It starts getting cold, and we don't know anyway. And here we try to understand how it all started to go wrong. But the sea is way too deep, yeah, it's deeper than we could ever go, honey. We have to be together here in the stormy weather. So I do
had to stop to have some breakfast. I'm having Kodiak cakes with some maple syrup and some butter. These are my favorite. I have to do here in the kitchen are wipe down the appliances. For day to day, I just use a wet cloth and then go over with a dry microfiber cloth to buff it out or to shine it up. It works out really, really well. I do have some actual cleaner that I try to use about once a week to actually really truly clean it, but this is what I use for day to day. And then inside the microwave, I'm just using the Mrs. Meyer's Peppermint Multi-Purpose Spray. I'm just giving it a quick wipe down. I actually plan on doing a deep clean of all my kitchen appliances very, very soon, so watch out for that video.
Come take my hand, I will walk with you. I won't let go till you say so. There isn't anything I wouldn't do. Wanna make sure that you understand. You're the one who gives my life color. There is no one other. With your hand in mine, let me go by your side. Let me go by your side. I wanna stay in your sunlight. I wanna wake up with you by my side. Without you there is no tomorrow.
And last, I'm just going to put some essential oils going in my diffuser. I am using the peppermint. Yes, it seems like peppermint, 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 but it smells so good and I'm enjoying it so much this Christmas season.
Sometimes I wonder where you came from. You are special, yeah, you're special. Everything about you is so beautiful. I am all yours if you let me stay. You're the one who gives my life color. There is no another. With your hand in mine, let me go by your side. Let me go by your side.
Does this happen to anyone else when they have guests over? Everything that you want out of sight goes into your master bedroom, because this happens to us every time. So I'm just sorting through all the things that accumulated into our bedroom and putting them in piles so that I can take them to their true homes. definitely a space that after the holidays I'm going to tackle to declutter and reorganize. I'm just waiting till after because I have a lot of our gift wrapping stuff in here, so I'm just gonna wait. I got a lot done, but this is going to conclude this cleaning video. I hope it gives you some motivation, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing by clicking that button down below. Thanks guys, I'll see you next time.